Did you ever wish you had a simple UI that allows you to control who can see and do what in your Qlik app? Until now, you always needed to configure section access to do that, and that could be quite a bit of a hassle that usually departments were not able to do on their own, but they needed the central Qlik or BI or IT team. And we want to give that flexibility to departments themselves so that they can control who can see and do what in the Qlik app. We have developed this simple UI, so I hope you'll like it. Let's jump right into our app. So you can see we have created an app with 5 different sheets. We are currently on the left side, you can see our customer sales overview. And on the right side, you can see our user management. That is the first sheet. So let's close the sheet here. And on the right side, you can see the user management. You can see the 5 different sheets that we just saw on the left. And you can see that we can control who can read the data and who can write the data as well. And when we open our management console over here, you can see that we can now add all of the different fields from the data model for the section access. So for example, as you know, also from other write-back solutions that are out there, you can control the country. So we can select the country. There is a quick reload of the app so that the app knows that this is the field that we want to include in our user management. And now we can choose one of the users. So I will just choose my own account. And now we can configure the rights for this user. So you can see I currently have 5 different countries in the simplified access, and I can just add all of the countries in here. And when I save this, and then there will again be a quick reload of the app. And as soon as the reload is complete, you will see on the left that now I can see all of the countries, all of the customers in every country. So I have full access to this. And I believe this is so simple that every department can control that on their own. So they won't need the central Qlik team anymore. So they have more time for other things. But the really cool thing is, we want to offer you the most flexible data entry solution for Qlik. That is our claim at Leitart for Dataplus. So the great thing is you don't only have one dimension, but you can add additional dimensions as well. And this really sets this apart. So for example, you can say, I also want to control for the customer name. Maybe you have a use case where you have additional salespeople for one region, and not everybody should see the full region, but only their own region, for example, segmented by customers, etc. So this is super easy to add this. So over here, you can see we have certain customer names in here. And again, let me show you the app. So currently you see several customers, but you don't see all. So now if we add the star here to include all of the customers, then you can see as soon as the reload is complete, again, you will see all of the customers that are in that region. So now the list is much longer. And if we go back to the configuration, then we can delete certain customers. So maybe we can say we don't want all, we only want these. So as soon as we reload that, then you can see that we only see the selected customers and nothing else. I hope you like this. We think this is super cool, and we would love to have the first customers to try this out. Until now, it's a concept because we had a lot of requests from customers to include this in the apps. If you have an app where you would like to include this, we have a Christmas lottery because we believe now is the time to give something back to the Qlik community. We have learned so much from you over the last few years, so we want to give something back to you as well. So if you would like to include this in one of your apps, we would like to give you as a Christmas gift both the license as well as the project to implement this for you. It will not take a lot of time. However, if it's a few days of support, we are happy to give that to you for free. So if you would like to be the lucky winner of this Christmas lottery, just let us know in the comments by simply commenting on this video. And then we will let you know by January 1st who is the winner and who will have this included in their app. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.